Hi, this is your admin for the newsletter list. What I'd like to show you now is how to use your Aweber account to skillfully add your mailing list to all the list of awesome newsletters here on the newsletter list. First thing, you know your Aweber account. Let's go to add your newsletter. And of course, we'll go down here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the post to URL function. First thing you'll do is you'll give the name of your newsletter, a 350 character description. You'll upload an image that represents it, and these are the details that I will need. But what we're doing here is about how to use the post description or post to URL as a subscription method. And I'm going to give you two examples here of some great places that have done it. So first of all, you click post to URL after you've filled out all of this other stuff here. And let's just assume here's someone who's on the list. They have their banner quite honorably placed right there, and this is their web form. Now if you look behind the web form at the source code, you're going to find that there is well, it looks like this. Here, let me just bring that in here. It looks like this, and what you'll find at the source code of a banner is something that says form method equals post. This could be in the front or it could be behind here. Doesn't really matter, but it's in the very first line. And you take this, that right there, which is the action, and you post it right here. Now let's do that again. That didn't work out. So we copy, and paste right there. Okay. For most Aweber scripts, they'll actually use this very same information. Now if we go down to, so here it says destination, that's what we've got. All of these are going to start with the name equals, or rather email equals bracket email, the ampersand sign right there, and then name equals name. And then you're going to have to find a couple other forms as well that that will be part of this string here. So there are three that I know of, and only three that you need for your Aweber account. First, it will say meta web form ID equals a number. Well, look right up here. It says meta web form ID, and here is that number. So you put the ampersand right after there, then you copy and paste meta form ID there equals, and then the number. That is your autoresponder account for Aweber. Then it has unit equals updates. Well, here we have the word unit and equals and the updates, web updates. That is the name of the autoresponder. And here meta message equals 1. You'll notice down here it says meta message equals 1 right there. Now once you put those together in one long string, just like this, that's all you're going to need. You copy it, go back to where it says attributes right there, and you paste it in, and you're set. Then what happens is you press the send request, and I will approve it for you, and you will be on the front page of the newsletter list, and it's an awesome way to get people subscribing. The nice thing about Aweber is everything they do is double opt-in, so no one is going to get spammed by you from this. So, and you're going to get people who sincerely want your information in their email box. Let's go now to another example, which is we have someone again who is already on the list. Magna Work Generator for the Home.com, and here they are. Their web form is right over here on the right side of the page. If you look at its HTML code, if you look at the source code, it gets a little more complicated because it's a little fancier in how it's designed HTML wise, but all the basic information is still there. So let's scroll down. What you'll find, first of all, again, that very same information. So we could go back over here and get a blank page. So first we'll turn this into the post to URL, and we put that back in there. This is blank. And to find out the string you're going to get, here we go again. Meta Web Form ID. Well, son of a gun. Scrolling up here, Meta Web Form ID, and here's the number. Scrolling down, and here the list name, again that's the name of the email list. List name is generators. You'll find that up here in the HTML code. List name equals generators. Excellent. And meta message, that is the message that the emails, I believe that is the message that it's going to be the very first message they send. So meta message equals 1, and that's all that you need. So once again, we'll take this, copy it, paste it in there. I don't think we've got it the way I want it. Let's look at this a little bit more. There we go. Got to go all the way. There we go. Paste it in there. That's all the information. Click on the send request, and again I'll approve it. I'll doctor up any images you have so that you are on the front page of the newsletterlist.com. And like I said before, for you it's a great way to get subscribers who want information and get them on your mailing list. So check out all the other videos, and particularly check out the website wpcoreg.com. It's a WordPress co-registration software that this operates, that the newsletter list uses to operate, and I think you'll find it really interesting.